what is poppin' today in the Bite Me More kitchen? We are taking our popcorn next level. We are taking our popcorn next level. Lisa has popped like the magician that she is with her popcorn maker, and we are ready to go. So show us how to trick out our popcorn, Lisa.
Okay, we have a sweet and a savory one. We're gonna start with the sweet one. Meanwhile, you're gonna eat the whole bowl. We're doing a cinnamon toast popcorn. So we have half a cup of white chocolate chips that we've melted, and we're just gonna...
Did you melt them in the microwave with your breath?
My breath. Yes, I melt them with my breath. So you're gonna pour this over top of your popcorn, and then in a separate bowl, so we have 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar to that, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So just mix that up.
This is looking good, Lily.
Yep, you're gonna pour that over the chocolate, the popcorn.
Do I get to get in there?
Oh, look at your hands, like ready to go. One more thing, we have 1 cup of cinnamon toast cereal that we've crunched up. So I guess mix away. Yeah, just mix away and enjoy. And there you have it.
Do you have to let it sit at all?
Well, as it sits, it will harden up. The chocolate firms up pretty quickly.
This is the best day of my life.
Is it?
One of them.
So our savory popcorn we're gonna do is a barbecue flavor.
Perfect for summer picnics, Lily.
Okay, in a bowl, you're gonna whisk together 3 tablespoons of melted butter.
Melted butter.
Then we have 2 teaspoons of barbecue sauce.
Bottled barbecue sauce. No fuss, no muss.
No fuss, no muss. And then we have 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika.
This is smelling like an outdoor barbecue.
So really simple, just whisk it together. You're gonna pour it over the popcorn, and when you mix it up, we're gonna add 3 cups of crushed barbecue chips to that. And you know what? You get to get your hands messy again.
This one is a little bit less appealing for the whole.
Why? Because it's not sweet? Like you like the sweet?
All right, well, here we go.
Dump them in.
You have pimped our popcorn. Can I say that? And there you have it. Easy, successful snacking brought to you by my sister, Lisa.